Hey Owlets, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome in. My name's Courtney with Southern Owls and I'm so glad you're here. And today I'm going to show you this cool ribbon that our friends at TMI Gifts got in. It's a 4-inch non-woven ribbon. And it's really, really cool because it is more of a plastic ribbon. Okay, and I have it here in this hot pink and lime green. And, I was thinking this ribbon would be perfect for mailbox bows, vases at a gravesite, or even on top of the tombstone. Because since it has this plastic feel to it, it's not going to fade. So I thought we would whip out our M Bow and Go Maker, and I'm going to show y'all a couple different bows. I'm going to make a couple different bows. I'm going to first start off with a mailbox big bow. I think this would be so perfect for summertime. Think watermelon, right? You could even add, it would be cute too, you could add in flip-flop picks or watermelon picks to go on top of this bow for your mailbox. So since it's going on the mailbox, I'm going to do pretty big tails. I'm going to do 12-inch tails. I'm going to put that right in the pegs on our M's Bow and Go Maker. You can grab one of these M Bow and Go Makers from TMI Gifts also. Be sure to use code OWL20 and you'll get 20% off your entire order. So I'm going to use this ribbon just like I would any other ribbon. So I'm going to pinch it and twist it. Okay, and then we're going to come in and we're going to make pretty big loops. So you know what? I'm going to take this peg off because I want this to be really nice and big for our mailbox. So we're going to come in, we're going to go all the way, which is 11 inches. I always like to put my finger, like my hand, at the end of the loop. We're going to go in, we're going to scrunch it and place it right in those pegs and then twist it. Always remember to twist that ribbon. We're going to do the same thing over on this side. We're going to go all the way to the end, which is 11 inches. I want a really nice big bow. Come in, pinch it, lay it down. We're going to keep going. We're going to do a couple loops with this. So pinch, twist, come in, same thing. 11 inches, twist, pinch, twist. So it's the opposite side, right? Come in, 11 inches, pinch, twist. And then we're going to come down here and we're going to do 12-inch tail. I'm just going to cut it straight across for the time being, okay? So now we have two 12-inch tails and we have 4 11-inch loops. So it's going to be really nice and big, okay? So I'm going to come in now with the hot pink. We're going to do that same long tail, but I'm going to do this tail up at the top because I want tails to come on both sides of my mailbox. I don't want them just to be on one side, but don't worry, we're going to add some more layers into this. Okay, we're going to shrink down our loops though. So pinch, twist, okay? We're going to come down to the 10, so shrink them down an inch, pinch it right into, and twist. Same thing over on this side, 10 inches, pinch, twist. Okay, 2 more, 10 inches, pinch, twist, 10 inches. Pinch. And then we're going to come this way with this tail, okay? We're going to add a little bit more green in, so I'm going to put a green tail up at the top in just a second. We're going to come down and cut that right off. Oop, like that. So now we have, oh my God, this is going to be so fun. Bright and beautiful. Perfect for that mailbox. Okay. I just always kind of like to spread these out so I see like how big the bow is going to be. All right, we're going to come in with our green. I'm going to come in on this side because I want one more tail coming up top. We're going to do 12 inches. Pinch, twist. We're going to shrink down our loops another inch to the 9. Okay. Pinch, twist. Nine inches, pinch, twist, come down at the 9. We're just going to do 2 of these, and then I'm going to come back up to the top. Whew. There we go. Pinch, twist. Come up, cut off that big old tail. And we're going to do one more, okay? One more. So we got 3 tails up top, 3 tails at the bottom. And we're just going to come in with the pink. I'm going to do another tail, one at the top, one at the bottom, 12 inches. And I'm just going to flip this loop around my hand, okay? So this is how I do that racetrack loop, still on the bow maker. You see that? We're going to flip it around just like that, okay? Well, we don't need it that big. Shrink it down. Let's measure it. Oh, yeah, that's perfect. I want it a little bit smaller than the rest. I'm going to swing this up, okay? Twist that. Swing that up because I want our ribbon tails to all be even Stevens, okay? So now what we're going to do is we're going to grab our cable tie. Oop, I need a bigger one than that. Okay? Get that at the ready. And you can either come in, kind of lift it up just a little bit, come in underneath, okay, with that cable tie. Snag it around. Get it started just a little bit. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to do black because I have a black mailbox. So I'm going to come in with 2 pipe cleaners and just go down about 2 inches, twist them onto each other because we're going to need that length since this is going to go on a mailbox. And whoop, go right in the middle. Like so. And let me get where's my needle noses? Oh, where are my needle noses? Uh-oh. Oh, there they are. Okay. Sorry about that. Get it nice and tight. Pinch off of that because we don't need it. So we're going to flip our bow over. And I'm going to start manipulating my bow now that it's all in place. Kind of just fluffing up. So the cool thing, this is just like regular ribbon. And just put your hands in. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Put your hands in there. Pop them up. Okay. Spread those loops apart. And you'll see when you buy this is such a good ribbon for mailboxes. And like I said, cemetery site, because this ribbon is not going to fade on you. It's a very plastic feel, okay? So just, just warning, it is a plastic feel. So I'm going to kind of start spreading these tails out just a little bit, because I don't want them all clumpy. Spread them out a little bit. With that every other vibe. And instead of dovetailing this, I'm just going to angle cut. So I'm going to come in and just angle cut the bottom. Oh. Just so it looks a little nicer. And then that straight across cut. Whoop. Okay. Oh my goodness, I thought I got it. There we go. Okay. Also, now that I'm looking how big this thing is, wouldn't this be wonderful for like a cowbow? Oh my gosh, Court. A carbo. You know, like when you get a new car. Oh my gosh, this would be perfect. So this ribbon is really cool. It has this really nice woven pattern on it also. And I just think this would be wonderful for a situation that you want something outside that gets full sun, but you don't want it to fade. Like this is it. This is the ribbon. Look how big this bow is, y'all. Okay, that's fantastic. I love it. I love it. But you can see the plastic texture of it, right? So I think this ribbon is just perfect for your outdoor projects, okay? And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna wrap these pipe cleaners around your mailbox, and then this will just sit. Oh my God, I love these colors together. That will just sit right on top of your mailbox. I'm gonna do a little twist right here around the cable tie real quick. Okay. That's so fun. Okay, I'm going to show you a smaller version, okay? So that would be great for the mailbox or even on a headstone, okay? You could even, like, have you seen the saddles, like, you drape on? Or you could tape this down on either side with duct tape on the stone, you know? Okay, so that is a good size bow. We're going to shrink it down a little bit, so if you wanted to do just a cute, simple bow for an urn or a vase that you have on a gravesite. Because I do get that question asked a lot. Like, what can I use at a cemetery? You know, what can get full sun that's not going to fade? Well, I think this ribbon is the answer. Now, would I choose lime green and hot pink? No, probably not to go on a cemetery, but this is what I have. So you'll just get the basics, and then then you can do a different color. I'm going to do a 10-inch tail because I still want it, if this is going on a vase, I still want it to be dramatic, okay? So we're going to do 10-inch, and we're going to pinch that and twist it right into our bow maker. Oh, I broke it. It's me. Hi. I'm the problem. Okay, we're going to shrink down those loops. I'm just going to do 8 inches for the loops. I'm just going to pinch it. Oh my God, I broke it again. Pinch, twist. Come over here, 8 inches. Pinch. And I'm going to bring it down because we don't need this bow to be dramatic, okay? It's going to go on a vase, so it doesn't have to be too crazy. We're going to do that angle cut right off the bat so we don't have to clean that up later. I'm going to come in with the 4-inch pink, okay? Same tail size, 10 inches, pinch, twist. We're going to do same size loop, 8 inches, pinch, twist. 8 inches, pinch, come on down. Cut off that tail, 10-inch tail. Okay, and I'm not going to do a center loop on this one because you know what I think would be cute? I think it would be cute to even just put a bow or a flower or something in the middle, right? That would be super, super cute. So I'm going to come in, take it off my bow maker. Oh, that's not big enough. Take it off my bow maker, grab my cable tie. Swing it around. Okay. Thread that pipe cleaner through. And use whatever pipe cleaner is going to match the vase on the cemetery site, right? Because then that will hide it. So then I'm just going to kind of fluff this out, kind of stagger them just a little bit. And now you have this really cute, fun, weatherproof bow. And this is rainproof too, because it is a plasticky material. Like this is going to be just fine out in the weather also. Let me cut this one, that same angle, a little bit shorter. There we go. And then like, how cute. Okay, hold on. Stay with me. Are these the same? Hold on. Let me cut this a little bit. Okay, stay with me. Let me grab my idea. Okay, let me grab my idea. I'm going to pause you. Okay, something as simple as just a daisy. Okay, and you pop this off and put it in the center. And then you wrap this, right? Wrap this around the vase. That would be so stinking cute. So stinking cute. And we're just, once you get it attached to that vase, just kind of spread these out a little bit. I love that. I really love that. Okay, so you can grab the M Bow and Go Maker from our friends at TMI Gifts. And you can grab this 4-inch non-woven ribbon at TMI Gifts also. When shopping at TMI Gifts, guys, be sure to use my code AL20 and you'll receive 20% off your entire order. The great thing I love about this M Bow and Go Maker is everything fits inside and you can just, it's so, look how compact that is. I love this bow maker. I think it's $19.99, but if you use my code, you get a couple bucks off, right? And oh my gosh, this is like a great price for this ribbon also. So you're not going to spend a whole lot of money on this ribbon as well. So go check that out. And actually, guys, these are from TMI Gifts also, and they come in all different colors. So you can check these out also. You can check these out also at our friends at tmigifts.com. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hope it inspired you, got you some new ideas, you know, for the upcoming seasons. And I hope you go and try this ribbon. It's pretty cool. It's a different texture and everything. And like I said, it's perfect for outdoor use. So go and snag some. Tell me what you think about it in the comments. And I can't wait to craft with y'all again soon. Bye, everyone.